My name's Peter and I've been arranging tailor-made holidays for over 20 years and I've spent many weeks travelling in Patagonia.
My name is Ian and I'm a Patagonia specialist here at Swoop, and I've been building and creating tailor-made itineraries for the last 7 years.
Tailor-made Patagonia for me means the ability to create something unique and utterly special that is individual to every client.
Quite often it's about having a detailed conversation with someone on the phone or on Zoom, or sometimes we meet people in person in the UK, and it's about asking lots of questions to you about what's important, what you're looking for, your interests in terms of accommodation or wildlife or excursions, and then I would go away utilising our specialist partners down in Patagonia and build a tailor-made itinerary around your brief. It might be perfect first time round, it's not always, so it's very much a consultative process until you are totally happy with the trip that we've built.
One of my favourite tailor-made itineraries I put together was for a client of mine named Jim, who wanted to fit in a whole variety of activities for his family and make it a real journey, so they never went over the same ground twice. I took them down to the Chilean Lake District, across the Andes to the Argentine Lake District, down to Los Glaciares in Argentina, across to Torres del Paine, the flagship of southern Patagonia, through the Chilean fjords, and then finished off on a high in Buenos Aires. And I was very jealous of their trip.
My name's Caris and I'm a Patagonia Customer Experience Coordinator here at Swoop. My job is to help you from the point of booking until the time you return home, to make sure that you're ready for your trip, whether that be what flights you should book, what walking boots you need for your trek, or what food you can expect at your hotels and campsites. I'm here for any questions that you need or any assistance that you might need with add-ons at the beginning or end of your trip, or just to chat about stories from your trip and share some pictures with you.
If you've seen something on our website and it looks exciting to you, but you want to make some changes, please do get in touch and we'd be very happy to help build a more tailored itinerary. Around glaciers,